Welcome to Jambi's Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to create an image or design using Canva AI. Now, unless you've been living under a rock somewhere, you know what Canva is. But did you know that you can do this with Canva AI? Well, no problem. Today I will show you how. First and foremost, go to canva.com. Now, once you're on canva.com, at the very top, you can see designs here, then templates, then Canva AI. You can click that to access Canva AI, or on the left-hand side, you can scroll down to Canva AI here and select that. Now, I have a pro version of Canva, which is about $7 per month. However, you can get free credits to do this even on the free account, but they are limited. Now, first we'll start with generating an image. So you can tell Canva what kind of image you want. For example, so I've put down the prompt. At the bottom, you can see design for me, create an image, draft a doc code for me. So for now, we want to generate an image. So I'll select that and then submit. And there we go. This is what it has generated. Now, again, keep in mind, the better if you want a very clean final product, you have to give it a very precise prompt. As you see, I've given it a very simple statement. If I want more details, I will give it more information. But that's it. That's how you generate the image. You can choose to upscale to get a better, clearer image, or you can give it edits on this very image, what you want to change about the image. For example, I can say, there we go. I've asked it to change her hair to locks. It's not very ideal. Again, be specific with the instructions, and you can edit it like that, upscale, and then download when you're ready. Now let's move on to part 2. I will show you that in the next video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to Jambi's Tutorials. I will show you how to generate a design next and all the things Canva AI can offer.